Welcome to this week's Primed Insight. Let's go over your 5-minute checklist for your dust collector. First thing you're going to want to make sure you check, differential pressure. From your differential pressure gauge, make sure all your pulse decks actually hit when the pulse board says they're hitting. If you sit there and listen, you can either hear the solenoid click or you can hear the burst of air bust through the filters. The next thing you want to go to is your dust drums. If your dust drums are overfilled and maybe the base of your dust collector has a bunch of dust set out in it, when that dust collector runs, it's going to keep stirring up that dust and plug your filters prematurely. Ensure that your pulse air pressure is below 94 psi, but no less than 85 to get the maximum pulse efficiency out of your system. Make sure that you're listening for any noises that you don't typically hear. Your motor could be howling, the RPMs could be over revving. Just take a focus in on those. And the final thing that we want to go over on your dust collector, and this one is probably one of the most forgotten things. So anywhere there's a joint, and if we walk around here and look at the top of the dust collectors, so anywhere that the header tank goes into the top housing or around the door seals, or maybe it's even the bottom drum, if it's not completely sealed and your dust collector stored outside, moisture will get sucked into the dust collector and get those filters wet to make them fail prematurely.